Hypotheses and predictions are different, and both should be included in an experiment. A hypothesis is essentially an educated guess or proposed explanation for a phenomenon based on existing knowledge or observations. It serves as the starting point for scientific inquiry, guiding researchers in their quest to uncover the truth behind a particular question or problem. Hypotheses are typically formulated using the scientific method, a systematic approach to investigation that involves making observations, forming a hypothesis, conducting experiments, analyzing data, and drawing conclusions. In order to be considered valid, a hypothesis must be testable and falsifiable, meaning that it can be proven wrong through experimentation. Once a hypothesis has been established, scientists can then make predictions about the outcomes of their experiments based on the proposed explanation. Predictions are specific statements that can be tested through observation or experimentation, helping researchers to determine whether their hypothesis is accurate or not. For example, let's say a scientist hypothesizes that plants require sunlight in order to grow. Based on this hypothesis, they could make a prediction that plants kept in a dark room will not grow as well as plants kept in a sunny environment. By conducting experiments to test this prediction, the scientist can gather data to support or refute their hypothesis. Another example of hypotheses and predictions in action is in the field of medicine. A researcher may hypothesize that a new drug will be effective in treating a particular disease based on previous studies and observations. They can then make predictions about the outcomes of clinical trials, such as improvements in symptoms or increased survival rates among patients. Through rigorous testing and analysis, scientists can determine whether their hypothesis is supported by the data collected during the study.